Morning, I'm Patrick Leandre Daquila for BSc 2C. I remember our last topic is about a dogmatic principles of fingerprint. Ito po ay binubuo ng Principles of Individuality by John Christoph Andreas Mayer. And the second is Principles of Constancy and Permanency by Hermann Welter. The third is Principles of Infallibility by Edmond Leonard. And second, remember about our last topic is about and I remember a branches of dactyloscopy. First, chiroscopy. Ito po yung palm point identification. Ang Greek word po nito is yung scopain. And next po is fluoroscopy or poor structure for identification. Ang Greek word po nito is porous or puri. And I still remember edioscopy or ito po yung shape of the ridge. And I remember points of identification. And points of identification I still remember is color of the skin, which is Malayans. This is brown. And future face and Negros, thick spreading lips and shape of skull. This is Red Indians, which is flathead. I remember in Pioneers, Robert James Fitz. He's the man without fingerprints. And Isaiah Tabor, photographer. He used of system registration of immigrant Chinese. And Marky Holland, first American structures in dactyloscopy. And John Dillinger is attempted to destroy his own fingerprint by acids. And Mr. Jones, one of tooth fingerprint in the Philippines. And Isabella Reyes, the first Filipina fingerprint technician. And Rosa Reyes, first Filipino fingerprint technician. Gilbert Thompson, tampering of a order he issued. And Sir William Herschel, British administration in Bengal, India. And Rahadar Kunai, the person Herschel printed the palm. Sir Edward Richard, an inspector general of police in Bengal, India. He the father of modern fingerprint. And Juan Bucetich, Argentine police officer, father of fingerprint in all Spanish. Henry Folds, a surgeon at Tokyo, he advocated use of fingerprint or latent print, proponent of principal infallibility. Dr. Hans Gross, an Australian magistrate, he also known as a father of modern criminalistics and father of criminal investigation, and he said, "Vis ipsa loquitur" in English is the thing speaks for itself, and he said frustration 95%, inspiration 3%, and luck 2%. And August Bulmer, the head of the first comprehensive crime in laboratory in US established in Los Angeles, and pioneers, and I still remember the pioneers of science of fingerprint. First, Nehemiah Grew. He described the ridges of sweet force and the hand and feet or foot. He the first Europeans to publish friction ridge skin observation. And second is Gobard Bidlu. He works on the sweet pores and ridges. In 1985, he published an anatomical atlas. And John Christoph Andreas Mayer, the first state that fingerprint are never duplicate in the two person. So hindi daw po sila pwedeng magkagaya ng fingerprint. In the proponent of principle of individuality. And si Sir Johannes Purkinje, professor in physiology at anatomy at the University of Breslau, Germany. Characteristics which may not easily change, like clothing, it's so very easy change, and growth of mustache and growth of hair, and frequent place of visit that will easily change, and body ornamentation. Characteristics that may be not easily changes, like left or right-handed, or pag sanay ka sa kaliwa, ang hirap nun baguhin, lalo na pag di ka sanay sa kanan. And color of the eye, di na mababago yun ang kulay ng iyong mga mata. Napakahirap nun. At saka, mannerism, like me, tulad ko ngayon. Di ako, when my foot, pag yung pa ako'y nakatingkayad, lagi na lang siyang nanginginig, napakahirap nun. Kaya once na may angat ko yung pa ko, matik, na ano na yung mannerism ko.